Technology refers to the application of knowledge for the betterment of human society. Over thousands of years, technology has evolved, providing humans with major comfort. From creating the telephone to the world of tablets and phones, from making computers to developing highly intellectual robots, technology has been evolving in almost all possible fields, providing various job opportunities that are continuously growing day by day. In this video, let's discuss some of the best technologies for the coming year. Yes, you heard it right. We will focus on the top 10 technologies to learn for 2023. Stick to the end of the video to know which is the most trending technology of 2023. But before we begin, consider subscribing to our channel, Simplilearn, and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates. So if you are a tech geek, here's a question for you. What was the first digitally operated and programmable robot called? Here are the options: Unicorn, Unimate, Univac, ENIAC. Let us know your answer in the comment section below. So without any further delay, let's check the technology which is at number 10 on our list. 10. Extended reality. Extended reality, or XR, covers everything that falls under augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, mixed reality, MR, or anything in between. Businesses and major industries like entertainment, marketing, and design benefit massively from extended reality frameworks. According to Globe Newswire, the extended reality market is set to grow from $26 billion in 2020 to as high as $397 billion by 2026, boasting a CAGR of 57.91%. With technological giants like Google, Samsung, and Apple looking for extended reality experts regularly, the demand for trained professionals in this domain has grown substantially, boasting average salaries of $68,000 to $102,000 annually. Let's unlock the next technology trending at number 9. Edge computing, more of architecture rather than technology. Edge computing is a distributed computing pattern that brings data storage and computation closer to the data source, thereby improving the response time and saving the bandwidth. It's considered an important factor for the success of the 5G and IoT industries. As per reports, edge computing is estimated to reach $101.3 billion with a CAGR of 17.8%. Thanks to an exponential increase in the job market, big names like Amazon, HP, and IBM hire edge computing experts with an average salary estimated at $170,000 per annum. The next technology on this list is 5G and Wi-Fi 6. We live in a world where massive amounts of data need to be transmitted quickly. With the increased adoption of video conferencing needing reliable connection and higher bandwidth, this is where 5G and Wi-Fi 6 comes into play. 5G networks are slated to have more than 1.7 billion global customers by 2025. According to the GSM Association, with the major players being Samsung, Cisco, and Nokia, among others. The worldwide market for 5G is also anticipating growth with CAGR of 67.1%, propelling newer technologies like IoT and virtual reality into mass production for the public. Wi-Fi 6, on the other hand, provides improved security and high internet speed even when congested. It is expected to grow from $11.5 billion in 2022 to $26.2 billion by 2027, with CAGR of 17.9%. Up next, we have blockchain. Blockchain is now revolutionizing every sector, from banking and healthcare to politics. These are a few industries that may profit from establishing a decentralized digital ledger that monitors and saves data in several locations, making forgeries difficult. Companies that use blockchain are HSBC, Barclays, Walmart, and Pfizer, to name a few. Blockchain developers need to know cryptography, data structures, and computer networking. According to reports, by 2023, the market evaluation of blockchain is expected to reach $19.9 billion with a CAGR of 42.8%, with the rise of NFT creators are earning vast amounts of money. Next on our list is cybersecurity and digital trust. Several organizations have fallen prey to cyber attacks, including big names like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Yahoo. The onset of the COVID-19 pandemic has triggered a rise in the number of cyber attacks across the globe. Hence, the field of cybersecurity holds paramount importance in today's times. A few of the best cybersecurity companies are Cisco, Microsoft, McAfee, and IBM. Knowledge of operating systems, networking, and virtualizations are must-knows in the cybersecurity domain. Recent reports suggest that the global cybersecurity market size is expected to reach $31.82 billion by the end of 2023, with a CAGR of 15.2%. The technology trending on number 5 is robotics and automation. Robotics is an influential industry gaining momentum over time. In the coming years, robotics will offer a lot to the world, like smart factories, the adoption of agile robotics and cobots, to name a few. Some companies actively working in the field of robotics are Boston Dynamics and Universal Robots. Some core robotic skills you need to possess are Python, MATLAB, problem solving, mathematics, and machine learning. The global robotics market is estimated to reach $70.84 million by the end of 2023, with a CAGR of 10.5%. At number 4, we have IoT, Internet of Things. Quickly becoming an integral part of our lives, IoT, or the Internet of Things, is a futuristic technology recognized for its social and technological marvels. IoT devices are increasing by almost 31% yearly, and according to reports, there will be 30 billion IoT devices by 2022. The number of active devices is estimated to double by the end of 2023. IoT has aided firms in improving customer service, streamlining operations, and increasing profits. Mindtree, IBM, GE Digital, and Verizon are a few companies getting more involved with IoT. The top in-demand IoT skills are machine learning and AI, Python, JavaScript, Big Data, and Node.js. According to reports, it is estimated that the market value will reach or even exceed $566.4 billion by the end of 2027, with a CAGR of 6.7%. Now, coming to the top 3, we have quantum computing. Quantum computing uses the properties of quantum physics to perform calculations and simulations that would not be possible on a traditional machine. While not just a research experiment anymore, quantum computing is a tool changing the face of several industries, including medicine, biology, and climate change. Big names like Microsoft, Google, IBM, and Intel are in the race to build quantum computing tools. To learn quantum computing, you need to know programming, mathematics, mechanics, scientific computing, and algorithms. Reports state that the quantum computing market is estimated to reach $411.4 million by 2026, with a CAGR of 24.2%. At the runner-up position, we have proof of work and proof of stake. Decentralized cryptocurrency networks must ensure that transactions are carried out safely and securely without a centralized organization like Visa or PayPal. To accomplish this, networks use a technology known as a consensus mechanism. Proof of work and proof of stake are the two consensus mechanisms that enable all the computers in a crypto network to concur on which transactions are valid. Proof of work is the older one of them, used by Bitcoin, Ethereum 1.0. It uses mining by miners around the world. And proof of stake is the newer consensus mechanism that powers Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, Tezos, which employs a network of validators to validate the new transaction, update the blockchain, and earn a reward. To excel in this technology, you should have proficiency in at least one high-level programming language, a solid grasp of cryptography and security principles, knowledge of smart contracts, and familiarity with algorithms and data structures. According to statistics, it is estimated that the market value will reach $69 billion by the end of 2030. And the technology that has taken the world by storm, ranking at number 1, is AI as a service. Gone are the days when you needed a hard copy of a map to travel to your favorite place, as Google Maps has efficiently replaced them with its powerful AI. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the top most trending technology today. It enables machines to think and act like humans. Now, talking about AI as a service, AIaaS is a third-party offering, AI services which help individuals and organizations to conduct AI experiments at low cost. Some top companies using AI as their core technology include Google, Amazon, Apple, and Microsoft. The market value of AI is projected to reach $42.4 billion with a CAGR of 29.75%. That concludes our list of the top 10 technologies for the year 2023. So if you plan to educate yourself and get trained in any of these technologies, check out Simplilearn's bootcamps. Link will be in the description box below. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up, consider subscribing to our channel, and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates from Simplilearn. Stay tuned for more interesting videos by Simplilearn, and thanks for watching.